Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. In today's video, I will be sharing the review of a newly launched product by Livon. They recently launched their hair straightening serum and I have been giving these a try for quite some time now. I will be sharing my review, thoughts and demo with you all. So if you want to know more, then please keep on watching. But before starting off with this video, go follow me on my social media handles if you haven't already for more such videos and more in general. So yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. These are priced at rupees 250 for 100 ml and you can always find these on discount. Online you can find these on Amazon and Nykaa. I will leave the links down in the description box below just in case. Coming on to the packaging, this is how the box looks like. It's all shiny red and white. Also it has a lot of information on the box itself, so you will get to know everything, nothing is hidden. The inside packaging comes in a white and a red sort of a combination. Now this bottle is quite travel friendly. It has a cap, plastic cap to open this, and has a nozzle right here to disperse the product. The best part about the packaging is the nozzle and the way it distributes the product. It is so fine. I'll just show you right here. The mist is not at all harsh and distributes the product really nicely. Its expiry duration is of 2 years. I'll just show you the consistency of this product now. You can see how watery this is. The product is almost dripping but is not at all oily. Like if you've used serums, like any serum, you will notice that it has some sort of an oily texture to it. But this one is totally watery, not at all sticky. What all this product claims: up to 12 hours straighter hair, pre-ironing routine, 5x reduction in breakage, infused with heat activated protein. I'll throw in the demo right now so that I can tell you all which all claim is true and which all are not. They've mentioned on the box itself as to how to use the product, and I've exactly done that. Divide the hair into 2 halves and spray generously on either side of your hair. Make sure your hair gets the Livon love from root to tip. Allow your hair to dry naturally or with a blow dryer before using the straightener. You're all set. Use the straightener, experience your hair get straighter as you go. So as instructed, I shampooed my hair and used this serum all over my hair and let it air dry. Generally also I don't use a blow dryer, so I did not do that. After my hair dried up, it did not make any difference, like the serum did not make any difference. But before straightening my hair, I thought of using this, so I sprayed it all over my hair and let it settle for 5 minutes, and after that I went ahead and straightened. What I noticed was, generally when I straighten my hair, it's not this softer and shinier. Also it gave me better straighter look. So after using this product, these are the difference that I saw. So I feel the two claims that it makes, which is it is infused with heat activated protein and it is a pre-ironing routine, is true. Although if you want to use it after straightening your hair just to lock in the moisture like you do with any other serum, I don't think this will do the job. It is just a pre-ironing procedure. Also, I forgot to mention that this has an amazing fragrance to it. And another thing, if you just go overboard with this spray, don't worry, you will not at all feel oily, like your hair will not at all feel oily. I would totally recommend this to anyone who is struggling with achieving those pokey straight hair and shiny hair with your straightener. This will just enhance that. So yeah, with that I finished my review video on the Livon serum. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.